We're going to look at graphing a quadratic using vertex form. Vertex form is another way of writing a quadratic using parentheses. And when it's in this form, everything kind of tells us something. So A, H, and K are actually going to be numbers. X and Y stay X and Y. They're not going to change. A doesn't really tell us much yet, but H and K we use to help find our vertex. Now, because there's a minus sign right there, what that tells us is we're going to look for the opposite of whatever H is, the opposite. So right here, we have a positive 3. I want the opposite of that, which is going to be negative 3. The K value is going to be the same, so we're not changing that. Keep that the same. And we just found the vertex. So you no longer have to use that x equals negative b over 2a to find the axis of symmetry and all that. Vertex is just given to us. But we do have to build up the rest of that t-chart. So let's find numbers smaller and larger. And we now need to pick up all of those, plug them in, and simplify. So let's start off with negative 1, plug them in, let's see what we get. So we have negative 1 plus 3 squared minus 1. Order of operations says we're going for parentheses, then exponent. So 3 and negative 1 gives us 2. Square it. 4 minus 1 giving us 3. Because we have a quadratic, because we have that vertex and the axis of symmetry, we know we're going to get similar answers. So if that's a 3, that's a 3. All right, let's do this again. All we got to do is plug in one more number, this time negative 2. Parentheses again, we got 1, square it, which gives us 1 minus 1. So nice easy number of 0. Let's take all 5 of those now and put them on here. So back 3 starting in the middle, down 1, 4, 0, negative 2, 0. And there you go. And that's graphing a quadratic using vertex form.